Hey kids, I'm Alex, and welcome to the Rainforest Explorers. As an explorer, I've gotten to travel all over the world to some really cool places, like oceans and remote islands, deserts, caves, and mountains. This week, I get to explore one of my favorite places, the rainforest. Rainforests are like a jungle. The weather is hot and humid. There are sounds of unusual animals like elephants and tigers and orangutans all around. And the trees and brush are so thick and green you can barely see where you're going. Even if we don't live in a rainforest, sometimes we can feel that way, can't we? Sometimes there are lots of unusual sounds in our lives. Sometimes we can barely see where we're going. You know who does know where we're going? Jesus. He knows, and he's always there to guide us. Mission Papua New Guinea sends books about Jesus to kids who need to know that Jesus is there to guide them, especially when they don't see where they're going. So, this week, while you're having fun at VBS, if you have some spare coins, a week's allowance, or even a few dollars, you can bring it into church, and your church will send it to the people at Mission Papua New Guinea. When you donate to Mission Papua New Guinea, you are helping send these books to kids just like you. God can use you to teach a kid you don't even know about Jesus.